A very good morning, dear students. As you know, the explanation of chapter 2 of your social science book, Social and Political Life 1, has been going on. The topic is diversity and discrimination. In my previous lecture, I explained the heading on being discriminated against. Here you got the story of pain of being discriminated, which was experienced by one of the greatest leaders of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Today I will explain the heading Striving for Equality. We know that the people of India fought together to drive away the British rule from the land of India. But besides this intention to drive them away, large groups of Indian people joined the movement not only to fight against the British but also to be treated more equally. Dalit, women, tribals, and peasants fought against the inequalities they experienced in their lives during those days. As a result, many Dalits organized themselves to get the permission to enter into the temples. Women also demanded equal right to education like men. Peasants and tribals fought to release themselves from the grasp of the moneylenders and the high interest they were charged. After India's independence in the year 1947, our leaders also were concerned about different kinds of inequality existed in our society. So these leaders set out a vision and goals in the constitution to ensure that all the people of India were considered equal. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Untouchability is seen as a crime and has been legally abolished by law. People are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do without any discrimination. The writers of the Constitution also felt that the people must have the freedom to follow their religion, speak their language, celebrate their festivals, and express themselves freely. They said that no one language or festival should become compulsory for all to follow. They said that government must treat all religions equally. Therefore, India is called a secular country. In India, all the religions get equal importance. Though these rules are included in our constitution, this chapter, Diversity and Discrimination, shows that inequalities exist even today also. That's why we have to keep on striving for inequality, as it is something that will not happen automatically. That's the end of the chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you.